Huarache. 1 package prepared Huaraches masa dough. 16 ounces chicken, beef, or pork, cooked and shredded. 2 cups refried beans. 3 cups shredded lettuce. 2 cups diced tomato. 1 cup crumbled queso fresco. Salsa. 3/4 cup sour cream. Salt to taste. Sliced radishes for garnish. Directions. Heat 1 inch of oil in a deep 10-inch frying pan over moderate-high heat until thermometer registers 375 F. Deep fry the huarache, turning once or twice until golden, about 4-6 minutes. Transfer with a slotted spoon to paper towels to drain. Heat refried beans. Spread the huarache with a heaping tablespoon of refried beans. Top the beans with your choice of shredded chicken, beef or pork. Layer with a few shreds of lettuce, diced tomato, queso fresco, a dollop of sour cream. Salsa and salt to taste. Garnish with radishes.